Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the Lion of Maharashtra. In the annals of India's struggle for independence, one name stands out for his fierce patriotism and relentless pursuit of Swaraj. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, often hailed as the Lion of Maharashtra. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on July 23, 1856, in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. From a young age, Tilak was recognized for his sharp intellect and deep sense of nationalism. Tilak's education journey took him to Deccan College in Pune, where he studied mathematics and Sanskrit. His passion for learning was matched by his desire to educate others, leading him to co-found the Deccan Education Society in 1884. The Deccan Education Society aimed to impart nationalist values through education. Tilak's vision was to empower young Indians with the knowledge and courage to fight for their rights. Tilak soon turned to journalism as a means to spread his ideas. He founded two newspapers, Kesari in Marathi and the Maratha in English. Through these publications, Tilak vehemently criticized British rule and advocated for self-governance. Tilak's writings resonated with many and earned him the title of Lokmanya, meaning accepted by the people. His slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," became a rallying cry for millions. In 1893, Tilak revived the ancient Hindu festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, transforming it into a public celebration that unified people across caste and class lines. Similarly, he promoted the celebration of Shivaji Jayanti to foster a sense of pride and unity. Tilak's efforts extended to the political arena. He was a prominent member of the Indian National Congress, where he led the extremist faction that called for immediate self-rule, contrasting with the moderate approach favored by others. His assertive stance often brought him into conflict with the British authorities. In 1897, he was arrested and imprisoned for sedition, marking the beginning of several incarcerations throughout his life. Tilak's resilience was unshaken by imprisonment. During his 6-year sentence in Mandalay, Burma, he wrote Gita Rahasya, an analysis of the Bhagavad Gita that emphasized selfless action and duty. Upon his release, Tilak continued his crusade for freedom. He established the Home Rule League in 1916, aiming to gain self-governance within the British Empire. His efforts significantly influenced the shape of the Indian independence movement. Tilak's health began to decline, but his spirit remained undaunted. On August 1, 1920, Bal Gangadhar Tilak passed away, leaving behind a legacy of courage, determination, and unyielding patriotism. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's life was a testament to the power of conviction and the relentless pursuit of justice. His contributions to India's freedom struggle continue to inspire generations. Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Thank you for joining us in this journey through the life of one of India's most iconic freedom fighters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights.